Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make hibachi shrimp fried rice. And this is a restaurant quality meal that's ready in a pinch. And the rice is fried in some butter, some garlic, topped with shrimp, and served with a creamy yum yum sauce. And it just doesn't get any better than that. Okay, so let's get started. You could serve this fried rice with either steak or chicken, but I chose to do shrimp today. I always have a bag of shrimp in my freezer. They defrost easily, just run it under some cold water, and they're ready in a pinch. And my husband and my son really love shrimp, so we are doing shrimp today. And I'm just gonna season it with some salt and pepper. I'm gonna go light on the salt, just because while I'm cooking it, I'm going to add a dash of soy sauce to them, so you don't want it to be too salty. And that's it. And let me go ahead and grab our ingredients for the yum yum sauce. Oh, but before we do that, I forgot to tell you guys that I did buy some shrimp that has the tail on. You can buy them already peeled. You can buy them with the shell on and peel them. The ones I bought does have the tail on, so I just left them on just for presentation today. Okay, so for the yum yum sauce, you probably have all these ingredients already in your fridge and pantry. So we are going to need 1/3 cup of mayo, and to that, I'm going to add a tablespoon of ketchup. So in goes the ketchup, and I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of sriracha. This is gonna give it some nice flavor and a little bit of heat, not too much. And then I'm also going to add in 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, as well as 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. And then I'm going to mix until it's well combined. And this yum yum sauce is actually really yummy. It's gonna bring another depth of flavor to our shrimp fried rice. It's just gonna bring it up a notch. And it also has this like nice, vibrant orange color, which always make dishes look more appetizing. All right, let's give it a taste. Perfect. For the fried rice, I'm also going to be needing some green onions, and then I'm gonna slice them up, and I'm gonna separate the green parts from the white parts. We're gonna saute the white parts, and then we'll add in the green parts when the dish is through cooking. All right, our green onions are all sliced up. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the rest of our ingredients. For the fried rice, we are going to be needing 3 eggs, which I'm going to beat in a minute. I have about 4 cloves of garlic here, some minced garlic. I have 3 tablespoons of butter. I have about 4 to 5 cups of cooked rice. This is day-old rice. I just cooked extra rice yesterday while we were having dinner, because I knew we were gonna have this for dinner the next day, so I went ahead and cooked rice ahead of time. But honestly, if you don't have time, you could cook it the day of. And I also have some soy sauce. Okay, we are ready to get cooking. Meet me over at the stove. Okay, so I have my pan heated to medium-high heat. I'm going to add in some oil, and I'm going to cook the shrimp. Okay, so it's been a little less than 1.5 minutes. These guys look ready to flip over. And that's what I really love about shrimp. It really just cooks up in like no time. All right, so I'm gonna let these guys hang out for another minute, and then I'm going to remove and set them aside. Okay, you know what I forgot to do is add a dash of soy sauce for some flavor and color. Just do that really quickly here. All right, these are ready to go. Okay, so I went ahead and wiped my pan clean. I've added a bit more oil, and now I'm gonna add in the beaten eggs. And we're just basically making scrambled eggs. And at the end here, when it's all through cooking, I like to just grab my spatula and just rough chop. That way it's all nice and chopped up by the time we add it to the fried rice. Okay, so I set the eggs aside. I'm going in with the butter. I'm also going to add a little bit more oil. And once the butter has melted, I'm going to add in the garlic, as well as the white parts of the onions. If you get a little green in there, it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna cook this down for about a minute. And you could add some frozen veggies if you like. I like to keep this really simple, a little garlic, a little green onion, and some eggs. That's kind of how we like our fried rice. Okay, so that's been about a minute. Now I'm going in with the cooked rice. And I'm going to cook down the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so I am not going to measure our seasonings. You're gonna do this everything to taste. So you wanna season the rice with some salt, some pepper. In goes the pepper. As well as some soy sauce. So the soy sauce is gonna give it some color. Nice brown color. And like I said, no measuring here. Do it all to taste. I've got rice like flipping everywhere on the stove. But what's cooking without a little mess, right? Comes with the territory. All right, it's been about 3 minutes. It is looking really good, you guys. Time to add in our scrambled eggs, as well as the chopped green onions. And it is ready to serve. This is gonna be so delicious with our shrimp and our yum yum sauce. Okay, so you can plate this however you like, but just for a prettier presentation, I like to pack some rice into this bowl that I have here. I have like a little small bowl. And then onto my plate, I like to go ahead and just, oops, I should have done it faster. Let's see if this worked, guys. I've got my rice, and now I'm just gonna lay on some shrimp. And like I said, I just got the ones with the tail on today just because they look pretty, don't they? All right, so that's a good amount of shrimp on there. And then I'm just gonna drizzle it with that yum yum sauce. And oh my goodness, this is looking so delicious. And then I'll just give it a little sprinkle of some more green onions. Forget the takeout tonight, guys. Make this hibachi shrimp fried rice right in the comfort of your own home. Okay, you guys, look who decided to join me for the taste test. He's working from home today and he smelled the food and he knew that I was cooking shrimp, right?
So excited, so excited.
Okay, let's go in for the shrimp first and then we'll do the fried rice. Cheers. Perfectly cooked, right? Let's do the fried rice. Both good, but together, oh my gosh, so yum, right?
Will you marry me again?
Sure. So corny.
A little bit more.
Anyways, thank you for spending time with me in my kitchen. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Is this what you're gonna have for lunch? Isn't he a lucky guy?